Yes, hello students. Today we are going to start one more case study question. And in this case study question, what to do? What is given? See, application of parabolas, highway, overpasses or underpasses. One figure is given to you, a highway underpass in a parabolic shape. Okay, this is parabolic shape here. A parabola is the graph that results from px equal to x square plus bx plus c. Parabolas are symmetric about a vertical line known as the axis of symmetry. This is the axis. This is the axis. This is the axis. The axis of symmetry runs through the maximum or minimum point on the parabola, which is called vertex. This point is called vertex. This is vertex here. Okay. What is our first question? If the highway overpass is represented by this, then you have to find the zeros. Okay. You have to find the zeros when px is given to you, and you can use by middle term splitting method. After multiplying, I want 8, product want 8, and what will be the subtraction? Okay, what is subtraction? After subtracting, I want 2. Okay, then what will be? See here, you have to find two numbers whose product is 8, and if you subtract it, this will be 2. Okay, then that number will be, think it, this is your 4 2s are 8, 4 minus 2. Okay, then x square minus 4x and minus minus plus 2x, this minus 8. Then take out x common, x minus 4 plus 2 you take out again, x minus 4. Then x minus 4 and x plus 2, these are the two factors. And if you have to find the zeros, then make it equal to 0. Here you make it equal to 0. This is your 4 and this is your minus 2. Then answer is 4 comma minus 2. Yes, come on question number 2. The highway underpass is represented graphically. Zeros of polynomial can be expressed graphically. The number of zeros of polynomial is equal to the number of points where the graph of the polynomial. Okay, what is the equation of polynomial? Px equal to x square plus bx plus c. And what is given? The two number of zeros are equal to number of zeros polynomial equal to the number of points of the polynomial. It means it intersect clearly by the equation, intersect at x-axis. Okay, so B answer is first, intersect at x-axis. Okay, come on for C answer. Come on for C point. See here, graph of a quadratic polynomial is a parabola. Clearly, so what is the shape of that parabola? It is given also in the question. Come on the next point, D. The representation of highway underpass was 1 0 is 6. You have given 1 0. Let us see. Alpha is given to you 6. And sum of zeros are 0. It means alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Alpha is 6. Beta this. Then what will be beta? This is minus 6. And what is the form of quadratic form? What will be quadratic form? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this is x square. Alpha plus beta is 0. 6 into minus 6, this will be minus 36. So x square minus 36. This is x square minus 36. Okay, one more question on your polynomial. See here, case study question, very important one. The wall of room is decorated with beautiful garlands, each garland forming a parabola, like this gardens, and this is the shape of parabola. X-axis, y-axis both are given to you, and it touches on x-axis also. Yes, come on. First question. What type of polynomial does a parabola represent? Linear, quadratic, cubic, and none of this. So this will be, first part is answer is quadratic, because the shape of this is your parabola. Okay, the quadratic polynomial shape is in parabola. Come on, second. The number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is equal to 2, equal to 1, more than 1. At most 2 is the appropriate answer. What is at most 2? Come on third part. A quadratic polynomial with the sum and product of zeros are -1 and -2. Sum of zeros given to you -1, product of zeros given to you -2. Then we know that sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So this is -1 into x plus -2. So what will be? X square plus x minus 2. A is your answer. Then come on fourth part. If one of the zero of polynomial this is -1, what is the polynomial? Just you write carefully. You have given to you -1. Then p of -1 will become 0. What is the meaning? On place of x you have to put -1 and get value of k. Simple. 2 into -1 is 5 equal to 0. This is 1, no? -1 square is 1. Minus minus plus, this is 2. -5 equal to 0. Then -2 plus 2 is 0. 0 and this is -5. I am sending that side, this will be 5. So k is equal to 5. B is your answer. Okay. Yes. Last fifth part. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this. So x square minus 7x plus 12. Its zeros are alpha and beta. Then you can tell me what is the sum of zeros. That is minus b upon a. A is 1, b is minus 7, no? This is your minus 7. A is 1. So alpha plus beta is your 7. Alpha beta c upon a. 12 upon 1. Okay, then what is the meaning of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta? Alpha beta I am taking LCM, no? So beta plus alpha. This is alpha plus beta is 7. This is 12. So what is the answer? C is the answer. 7 upon 12.